Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Fusion, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, which is located in a Google folder. You can see it right over here. Next, we're going to navigate to Fix and Manage, and then you want to select Manage SIM. This will automatically show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and by default they will all be selected as long as none of these contacts exist on the location that you want to import the contacts to. You can also see I have a drop-down menu right here with the device being selected, and I don't think I have any other options. Oh no, I do. A Google account. So you can choose where you want to import your contacts to. If you don't have any Google account signed in, you actually will not see this option whatsoever. So it will be manage contacts, and right below that you will have your first contact. But anyway, whatever you can select whatever you want in here. If some of the contacts right here exist on the import location, like your Google account or device, they will become deselected and grayed out. So if you see that, don't worry, the device is just stopping you from duplicating contacts. From there, you can check import. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you'll be able to see them right over here. Now, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location, which you can do right here where you can see this phone for me. You might see some kind of letter or icon for your Google account. You can click on that and choose to swap it to, for instance, things like Google account and the device. Now, if you have multiple accounts, they will all be visible there as well. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.